fruits with your life on the line while having a bunch of mangoes in your mouth? Well, this is called dark mango psychology. Now, in dark mango psychology, you'll realize the mangoes ain't just your normal mangoes. They are dark. And when you eat a mango, you realize that the serotonins inside of the mangoes go all the way to your brain. And then when it enters your brain and reaches the membrane, it activates something inside of you. You start to look at people like seeds. Seeds waiting to get sprouted. Seeds waiting to enter your tummy. And when that happens, you realize that you're somewhere deep. Somewhere very deep. Somewhere you don't want to be.
No joke. I used dark mango psychology, and my eyes turned red, and everyone ran.
Me in Nigerian blocks fruits.
I learned it at 5. I'm such a mischievous, promiscuous little clown, hey?
Billy Badass over here.
This is so Why no one can defeat me? I like the pain. A lot, I like it a lot. The pain is me.
Give me more pain.
Bro is not Sigma.
So tough.